All right, follow along here, guys. 1 mark for the name of the structure, 1 mark for the function of the structure. Amanda, can you just switch with R in there? Thanks. Okay, structure number 1 is the rough ER. 1 mark for rough ER. 1 mark for transports protein. Structure number 2 is the smooth ER. I will accept any one of the following functions for the smooth ER. Breaks down complex carbohydrates, detoxifies poisons, makes hormones, and which one am I forgetting? Makes lipids, sorry. Lost track of where it was. Okay, so any of those, okay, 1 mark. If they wrote down all 4, it's not 1 mark for each one. Okay, they only needed one of those functions, okay, to get 1 mark. Okay, structure number 3 is the nucleus. Job of the nucleus, store DNA. Structure number 4 is the nucleolus, and remember that nucleus and nucleolus have to be spelled correctly. Okay, nucleolus. Okay, the nucleolus controls protein synthesis or copies DNA. Okay, makes RNA. I would also accept that. Structure number 5 is the nuclear membrane. Okay, and the nuclear membrane essentially controls movement in or out of the nucleus. Okay, or allows RNA to leave the nucleus or something along those lines. No, cytosis is of the cell, not of the nucleus. I guess nucleolus, no, you can't say it that way. Okay, it's a lot more than I would have written, but okay. Yeah. All right, structure number 6, the little dots are ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes make protein. Excuse me? I don't think we need to read out somebody else's answers. All right, number 7 is our Golgi apparatus. Okay, and its job is the processing and or excretion of wastes. Number 8 is the cell membrane, endocytosis and exocytosis. They had to have that. I said that on the last quiz too. Makes protein. All right, number 9 is the mitochondria. The mitochondria carries out cellular respiration. I will accept burn sugar for energy, but I would like you moving towards the technical term for that, which is cellular respiration. Okay. All right, number 10, okay, each one of the little bubbles or vesicles that the arrows are pointing to have material in them, which means they are lysosomes. And the job of lysosomes is to digest food. Okay, and number 11, okay, number 11 is pointing at these yellow things here. Those are the centrioles. Okay, and they help with the division of cells, or they make sure each cell gets the right number of DNA, or right amount of DNA. Anything about cell division or capturing chromosomes, or ensuring DNA is split, any one of those would be acceptable as a function. There's a lot of different ways to put that. Okay. And then for number 12, as we said, it's supposed to be pointing at empty space. That's the cytoplasm, which is not really empty space. It is a fluid that facilitates diffusion. And that's what we said you needed to write on the last quiz. Okay, facilitates diffusion. Okay, I would also accept helps with intracellular transport. Okay. If they have something about supporting the organelles, no. We talked about that on the last quiz, and I said no. Okay. Yes. Well, I would say today only. In the future, I would like to see facilitates transport by diffusion, as I've now said that on 2 quizzes. On your unit exam, I will be especially picky about that. Okay. All right, it's out of 24. Give them a mark out of 24, put it at the top. Then I want a nice, neat pile of them right here.